Industrial interior design celebrates the material that make up the skeleton of our homes and strives to display them. This style refers to frill and fuss-free, no-nonsense decor that takes inspiration from the lofty look of warehouses. Industrial style homes opt for open floor plan design with highlighted exposed pipes, unfinished wall, minimalist and clean furniture, and rustic lighting decor. Let's see a brief history about it. While little is known about the origin of industrial style interiors, it's widely assumed that the style developed during the early 20th century. At the end of the second industrial revolution, the trend towards the globalization became more apparent. Scores of key factories shuttered and moved their operations to the other countries, and as a result, vacant industrial buildings suffered from neglect, which in turn left behind the new endless resource of high quality materials to take advantage of. And as the cities have become increasingly populated once again since the early 90s, resulting in a shortage of residential buildings, it became a logical solution to transform industrial areas into residential neighborhoods via gentrification. Instead of concealing the untouched beauty of industrial buildings, savvy architects and homeowners were the first in converting industrial style plans in an ongoing trend celebrating bare walls, architectural details, and the mechanism of the building origins. You might be thinking what color palettes you can use. So always stick to neutral color palettes like black, brown, gray, white, beige and charcoal colors. For the accent color, you can go for blue, brick red, dark green, burnt orange and tan colors. Patterns. So let me tell you, there are no as such patterns used in industrial style. So if you want to incorporate some patterns, you can use tribal or geometrical prints in your spaces. There are top materials, and without them, industrial style is incomplete. They are bricks, wood, concrete, glass, steel, aluminium, tin, stones, and for the soft materials, leather and linen. Industrial style is a mix of new and old. It involves the use of furnitures made up of metal and wood as well as concrete. Furniture should be in large scale, low profile, and minimalist. There should be no shine, metal pipes, open shelving, metal slide chair, leather sofa, concrete table, wood or iron canopy are some major elements of industrial furniture. Common flooring used in industrial design are polished concrete, stones, and wood. And make sure you don't use tiles or carpet in your floors. Talking about walls, you can have some weathered brick walls, rustic finished concrete walls, and stone cladded walls. Doors and window treatments would be definitely glass with metal framed windows. You can use metal framed style as a partition also because industrial style encourages open spaces. Ceilings are shown rather than hidden, and it works seamlessly and effortlessly. Steel and wooden are also considered as a cool and popular options. Rugs are not so common in this style, but options are always open. So you can use handmade rugs made up of wool and cotton, but always choose a neutral color for rugs. According to me, lighting is the most important feature in industrial design. Exposed bulb lighting fixtures are the most famous lightings in industrial design. Some other lighting fixtures like open steel cages, oversized pendant lights, track lights, studio tripod floor lamps, and steampunk lights can be used in industrial style. For the artwork, always think out of the box. You can use some abstract artwork, black and white photography, and oversized incomplete art. Ace your accessories to make it look industrial. You can get decorative when it comes to industrial accessories because realization lies in the decorator's touch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to get more interior related contents.